Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all of you will be fine, inshallah. Welcome to the class in online learning school. In this class, we will learn some more example of simple sentences. Okay, let's start. First one is Al-Qamaru Jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Qamar mean moon and Jamil mean beautiful. Okay, next one is Al-Hajaru Saqilun wal waraqu khafifun. The stone is heavy and the paper is light. Hajar means stone, Saqil mean heavy, Waraq mean paper, and Khafif mean light. Okay, next one is Al-Qamisu Nazifun. The shirt is clean. Qamis mean shirt and Nazif mean clean. Okay, next Al-Labanu Harun. The milk is hot. Laban mean milk and Har mean hot. Okay, next one is Al-Baytu Qaribun wal Masjidu Ba'idun. The home is near and the masjid is far. Bayt mean home, Qarib mean near, Masjid mean masjid or mosque, Ba'id mean far. Okay. Next one is Al-Kursiyu Maksurun. The chair is broken. Kursi mean chair and Maksur mean broken. Okay, next one is Al-Himaru Saghirun wal Hisanu Kabirun. The donkey is small and the horse is big. Himar mean donkey, Saghir mean small, Hisan mean horse, and Kabir mean big. Okay. Next one is Al-Ma'u Baridun. The water is cold. Ma mean water and Baridun mean cold. Okay, thank you so much for attending the class. I think it's enough for today. Best of luck. See you in next class. Thank you.